Oh, hi guys, I'm Tony. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm busy installing my neon sign. So today we have an exciting tutorial for you how to install neon signs with screws in 1 minute. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to effortlessly showcase your neon sign from our top-notch factory. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to make sure that you can always find the relevant sign information you want. Before you get started, make sure you have your neon sign and all the necessary tools handy. We recommend purchasing your neon sign from our factory to ensure the highest quality and durability. Now let's move on to the installation steps. Now let's take a look at the screws that'll make your neon sign installation a breeze. These screws are specifically designed to securely hold your neon sign. Step 1. Fix the screw and the steel ring together. Step 2. Put the rubber ring. This acts as a catch, prevent the neon sign from shifting. Step 3. Confirm that the hole is correct and drill it in with an electric drill. Step 4. Twist the decorative cover to make it more beautiful. If you also want to enjoy our excellent customer service, please click the link below the video to contact them. And there you have it, a beautifully installed neon sign using screws. Remember, when you purchase your neon sign from our factory, you're not just buying a sign, you're investing in quality craftsmanship and exceptional customer service. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials and behind-the-scenes glimpses for our neon sign factory. And if you recommended this video by our sales representative, you may now resume your conversation. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.